Hey, what's up guys? Dennis here from PrimeTraders.com. Excuse the shakiness of the video. I'm actually using my phone to record this. So yeah, what are we going to talk about in this video? First, I want to start off with the misconception of day trading. Let me just put this down like this. Okay, great. So let's start with the conception of day trading. Most traders or people think that trading or day trading or any kind of trading is like an all day kind of thing. It's not. If you sit on the charts all day, you are bound to overtrade, you're bound to start making errors, and you're bound to start deviating from your trading system. And that is always going to F you up right in the butt. I don't trade that much. I'm around all the time because I've got a community. I talk to people, I educate people, I'm looking for ways to improve, checking the charts, but I'm not trading all the time. And that's a very important thing to go over. But the point of this video is actually it's not about educating you about what day trading is. The point of this video is I will be showing you how I transition from the London session to the New York session. I'm a day trader, which means I only trade, well, not only, most of my positions are open today and closed today, like 90% of them, maybe even more. But because the Forex markets and the indice markets and commodity markets, they're open pretty much 24/5, you don't actually have to close the trades if they're going well or you're seeing potential for them to go well. It's not like stock trading. The reason stock traders close out their positions is because they're prone to gaps. They can't close their position after hours. And after hours is when a lot of things can happen and the market can start moving. So instead of getting their stop loss hit, they can have a huge loss. It's like trading with no stop loss. Anyway, transitioning from one session to another session is pretty important for me because I use a specific Excel that my friend and partner Brian created. That Excel basically tells me what kind of position size I should be using when I'm opening a trade. Now I update this Excel as each session ends. I've just closed out all of my trades, even though I saw decent potential for two of them to go well, gold and GBP USD. I decided to close out. What I want to do now is take you to my screen and show you how I prepare for the New York session. You ready? Let's do this. Welcome to my computer. Okay, so this is the account that I've started yesterday. I made a 5,000 euro deposit, even though you see pounds here, it's irrelevant. I've totally removed the target growth from my trading recently, and the only thing I actually focus on is the recommended lot size and updating this Excel as time goes. I've just ended trading the trade. You can see here transactions deposit yesterday, 5,000. There's the history. Well, one sec. Let's do it like this. So there's the history. Like today I had plenty of trades open, a lot of compounding on many different trades. There they are. See, plenty of trades. This is the current month. You see the profit is 6.2k. If I go today, one sec, there are my trades, and I've made a 5.4 thousand euro profit so far in the UK session. So the balance is 11,210. Now check this out. I'm preparing the New York trading session. What did we say the balance is? 11,210, right? Yep, 11,210. Now I click enter and bada bing, an 89.2% gain has been achieved, which puts my lot size now between 404 and 484 lots per trade. I am an aggressive trader. I prefer to have big lot sizes, and the reason why I do that is because I enter at these levels. You see this 30% fib? So if I were to enter here, my stop loss is pretty tight, because if price action drops below this level, my trade is done. So essentially what I want to show you is that the way I prepare a session. Firstly, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clean all of my charts. So if I do this, all of my charts are clean. A very important rule is set right here: trade only what you see. The reason I have that here is because we people, we tend to be silly sometimes and make mistakes. So I prepared my position sizing. I know that my trading lot size as a maximum exposure per correlated asset would be 4.48 lots. So if I'm buying, let's say, Euro USD, I cannot buy Euro GBP. If I'm buying gold, I cannot buy silver. You get it? Unless I cut the exposure in half. That would be the only way. Trading is a means for me to, eat and live from. Hence why it has to be organized. Before I used to target, 5%, 10% per session. I don't do that anymore. I just focus on what the market's going to give me. That's the only thing I focus on. So what I want to show you right now is that I'm going to do a very quick review of the popular markets here and just check what's going on. We had a very nice buy yesterday on silver overnight that reached this resistance 1. We then had a buy down here on gold and recently took it out because the New York session was starting. But check this out, we've got a potential sell. So essentially what I'm going to do is I'm just going to check all of this up, see what I'm going to be doing in this market or at the open of New York. Look at the Bitcoin. Beauty. You beauty. The beautiful thing about this is that I did say that we are going up and that we are going to close above the 13,900 level. We're getting close to it. Yeah, so again, make sure that my charts are clean. The first thing I do is I review my exposure. I update whether I made money or lost money. I update this. I've got the MyFX book link there too. I think if we go to primetraders.com, I think I have it there. No, that needs to be added. The MyFX book link needs to be added somewhere here, so you guys can see our trades. Yes, I do have it. I have it here on copy trading. You can actually invest with us. You can copy my account. This account is up in copy trading. Give me a sec. Let's find it. There it is. Review MyFX book. Let's see if the update was done. So everything's like legit and seen there. Yep, there's the update 1 hour ago. You can see the drawdown 6%, profit 130, going good. And that's the only reason is this. I'm following this and I'm just entering at the 38 and 30% fibs. But this video is not about that. I want to talk about how I prepare for a trading session. So let me go back to my phone and continue recording from there. Okay, so like I said, let me stand up, let me walk around. I'm trading from my house, apartment that I'm renting. I need to find another place, a bigger place. This one's a bit too small for me. So let's talk in the kitchen. Okay, now for me to trade successfully, the main things that I need to do is transition through these sessions correctly and with calmness. Not get stuck in trades. I'm a day trader. I don't want to be trading all day. I don't want to be stuck in trades for forever unless they're really working out and they're showing me great potential of working out. But if I can break this down into a couple of points. As soon as the session is over, London and New York is opening now at 3:30 Belgrade time, which is 2:30 UK time, GMT. The first thing I do is clear my charts, update my Excel so I see my position sizing, memorize the position size or write it down somewhere so I know what I'm doing, and just kind of refresh my mind on the system and just understand that, hey, listen, you're here to make money. You're not here to fight or fight the market. If I start losing money now, it's okay. Close the trades or get your stop loss in and move on. Trading successfully should be as simple as possible. As you guys can see, I make it pretty simple. Anyway, you want to learn to trade like me? Go over to primetraders.com and it's going to help. Well, I'm pretty sure I'm going to be able to help you out. If you're already there, thanks for being here and can't wait to, achieve some greatness with you guys. My name's Dennis. Thank you for watching and I wish you all the best.